To upload a CSV file to BigQuery, follow these steps. Access Google Cloud Console. Go to the Google Cloud Console and open BigQuery. Select your project and dataset. In the BigQuery interface, locate your project from the left-hand navigation panel. Expand the project and select the dataset where you want to upload the CSV file. If you don't have a dataset, you can create one by right-clicking on the project and selecting Create Dataset. Create a table. Right-click on the dataset and choose Create Table. Under Source, select Upload to import a file from your computer. Click Browse, then select the CSV file you want to upload. Configure table settings. In the File Format section, choose CSV. Under Destination, specify the table name. You can either create a new table or append data to an existing table. Define schema manually or use auto-detect to let BigQuery infer the schema from the CSV file. Upload and load data. Click Create Table. BigQuery will upload the CSV file and load its contents into the specified table.